what do I have to say?
What is
Hi, these are raccoons, and they like to chase me, and the boy one likes to, both of them like to play with their hair, and
What are they doing right now?
they're playing with the water. They're taking a bath, and that's where they drink out of, and they like to go in their little house, the rock, and they like to climb on their cage, and they like to chase everybody a lot, and they really like to sleep. That's all. Visit us forever out because we have a lot of animals.